Hello, my name is Manuel Antonio Rincón, student engineer industrial. My ideal hobby: continue working in the multinational General Steel company. Exercising in my career as an industrial engineer and base strategy to enhance results. Obtaining economic benefits and which I can and project myself and realize my personal and professional goals. I'm going to travel to Canada and can study English so that I can meet my mother countries. Continue studying an occupational health specialization. In the countries that you visit, will take from us on please experience apprentice in the order to take to implement new strategies in the General Steel company and in can be able to reach the goal of zero accidents. Thank you